Looking for the ultimate e-reader experience in 2025? The 2024 Kindle Paperwhite is here, and our in-depth review reveals why it's absolutely blowing away the competition. This device is often hailed as the best e-reader, especially for avid users of Libby. This Kindle Paperwhite review uncovers its lightning-fast processor, delivering instant page turns and seamless updates, a dramatic leap over other e-readers like the Kobo Clara Colour. You'll be captivated by its vibrant, glare-free 7-inch screen with adjustable warmth, perfect for any lighting condition from bright sunlight to cozy evening reads. Plus, it's gloriously waterproof, with an IPX68 rating for poolside adventures, making it incredibly durable. The ability to access multiple library cards through Libby sets it miles apart from Kobo alternatives, an indispensable tool for every reader. While we noted minor quibbles like power button placement and the absence of physical page-turning buttons, these don't detract from its overall brilliance and extended battery life. Find links to get your 2024 Kindle Paperwhite and elevate your reading game in the description below.